Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Mama Lisa is in the kitchen, but tonight I have a guest chef and I just love her. She is Funny Gunny's girlfriend, Mackenzie. And I told you guys earlier that she makes the best Brussels sprouts per baby boy. So Mackenzie, I'm gonna ask you to share your secret with the viewers.
Hey y'all, I'm Mackenzie. So for these Brussels sprouts, kind of just threw it together one day and it's been a real big hit. So I like a cast iron usually. Sometimes you can also use, throw them in the oven, roast them, whatever. But start out, you cook 5-6 pieces of bacon. Take the bacon off, which we've done here.
Okay.
Leave the bacon grease in your pan, pot, cast iron, whatever.
Right.
And then after that, you're gonna take your Brussels sprouts, whatever, amount you want, and then you're just gonna kind of throw them in here.
And we washed them. But we didn't slice them because you said they were small.
Yeah, they're
right?
tiny.
Yeah.
They'll fit. They're fine.
Listen, I need to learn this if baby boy says yours are better than mine, okay?
They are really good.
Okay.
They're so good. So you throw them in here. You let them cook for a little while. Once they start to get a little lighter and they're getting a little tender, you can crunch up the bacon. You sprinkle it on top.
Awesome.
You let all that stuff kind of cook together, and maybe like 5-10 minutes after that, we're gonna drizzle some maple syrup on there. Doesn't matter what time. I use sugar maple syrup.
Right.
It's green. It's healthy.
Right.
And then you just kind of let it simmer, let it cook down, let all those salty and sweet flavors run together.
Yum.
There you go. That's it.
Now, Mackenzie, if you were at home cooking this, you could put this in your oven, yes or no?
Yes.
You could?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you still do the same thing with your bacon. Cook your bacon. You can take a roasting pan. I put tinfoil down on there just to keep it cleaner.
Right.
Brussels sprouts on there. Drizzle your bacon grease over your roasting pan, over the Brussels sprouts. Bake them for 20 minutes, like 350, 375. 20 minutes, take them out. Put your bacon on top. Put them back in for a few minutes so they get nice and toasty. Take them back out. Drizzle your maple syrup. Put them back in the oven. Let them just sit for a minute or two.
Okay. All right. Well, look, I'm going to have to watch this back because I've got to learn this. I'm behind the camera tonight, but if we can get them to eat this, we will learn. Yes. So I will show you guys a picture underneath this vlog of Mackenzie's famous Brussels sprouts. Are we calling them roasted? I guess we would. Sautéed? Roasted?
You can call them whatever you want.
Okay. All right, let's call them Mackenzie. I don't know.
Bacon Brussels sprouts.
I'll title it with something catchy, y'all.
It's a twist on healthy.
Listen, if viewers have little kids though that they're trying to get them to eat, healthier, they could add this and say, most kids like maple syrup.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bacon is
bomb.
the key to life.
Yeah.
In general.
No kidding.
Eat a piece of bacon if we're better.
Now, did you say if they don't have bacon, we could put bacon grease, right?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. All right. Thank you, Mackenzie, so much. And I will post this, and we'll post pictures. And Mackenzie gets to choose the winner for the TikTok too. Putting her all out there. All right. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. See ya.